We have arrived at the show. What's up?
Yeah, man.
Here comes the devastating MC Rocker Truth. Good, kid.
Hey, everything is.
That's right. Then coming behind Truth the Almighty Killer, Microphone Killer, aka MC Slayer. Got Sky coming down next, the runway.
Oh,
Falling down the runway. What's up? Say what's up to the people.
Yo, what's good? What's good? I hope y'all didn't see that slip.
Then here come number 2, aka number one. Scooby Doo.
Yeah.
What's up?
Ready to rock?
You ready?
I'm ready. More than ready.
We're about ready to slide up into this venue here. It's already people pulling up.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, kid.
Already fixed.
We're gonna slide up into the venue, see what it is. You know it's crazy when you come to the thing in shorts. That's how hot it is. Don't let the long sleeve fool you.
Hot it is.
It's red hot, kid.
Man, I'm trying to get it right.
Alarm on. We up on Harrisburg, 4401. Pulling out the set stuff. Let's take a look at the venue. Live and direct. Got people coming up. The place we're headed to is the Kickback Bar. Very cool area over here. It's gonna be that type of vibe. Scooby Doo, you ready? I think she's ready. I think she's ready. I got DJ 123. DJ 123. He's ready to put it in. There you go. We stepping in. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a beautiful space. What's up?
We found a parking spot next
This
to
is
the
live.
side.
It is?
Yeah, but I feel like
I'm on the side.
let's get on the side since you got
Yeah. Yeah, this is live, man. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
It's good to see you, partner.
Already. I'm just doing your video.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's do this. It's live and direct. This is beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Oh. Got the stage action. This is gonna be fun, y'all.